Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Marshayla. I'm a licensed esthetician and pro makeup artist. Today, let's get into this look I did on my little sister and let's spill some tea. Why not? So back in the day, I had a dog and his name was Supreme, and I was going through it with my BD, of course. Y'all know how that be. Anyways, so I was going to sell my dog and I had him stay at my parents' house, which Markia was at. Man, the dog then got attacked by my daddy, old raggedy mean dog. So now I'm like, oh my god, my dog is dead. Basically, he was so messed up and stuff like that. We just had to, this lady just took him. So then every time I see a dog or I think about Supreme, I'll be like, R.I.P. Supreme. My sister be like, he not dead, he with the MAGA. How you know? How you know he there and why he ain't tell me he was there with them? I'm just saying. But that's a little inside joke we got going. Let's get into this eyeliner though. A moment. This eyeliner needs its own moment. Let's backtrack a little bit. So I'm like, I need a better brush to really get the liner the way that I want. So I'm like, let me go to like a craft store. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I looked down the pink brush out and I found a perfect brush. As you can tell, this is me snatching the liner. No guide, no tool. This is freehand. I'm doing this with my bare hands and I'm fleeking the liner. And what dawned on me is I'm like, wow, I'm really an artist. Like, it's in the name, makeup artist, or artist. Wow, look at it. You see it. Come on, man. Back to my sister. Can you imagine having your sister as your glam squad? Like, wow, I'm so jealous. I do my hair sometimes, makeup, waxing brows. Like, she's living the dream life, I have to say. She really is. Doing my sister makeup now just reminds me of when I was doing it when I had a couple brushes, a couple palettes, not that many products at all. She was my first model. My sister always encouraged me to go hard and do better, and I love her for that because I feel like if I didn't have my sister, I probably wouldn't be where I am today because she pushed me, she motivated me, she always supported me no matter what. Okay. Enough of the sentimental. Let's get back to the makeup. As you can see, I had to zoom in to show y'all how I really do. I had to get in her eyes and like tight line her eyes to get that nice dramatic effect. I had to zoom in so y'all can see it. But yes, makeup is about patience and using what you got, babe. I remember back in the day when I used to think like having the most expensive products meant like your makeup would come out great. And that's not the truth at all. Not at all. Some of my favorite products are from the drugstore. Let me know what are some of y'all favorite Holy Grail drugstore items in the comments. I'd love to know so I can add to my collection and my kit, period. I'm using a pencil to outline her brows, and then I'm using a pen to fill them in. And with the pen, I'm just using hair like strokes. I love this combo right here. It's gonna snatch the brows down every single time. Then I did a little reverse contouring with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Deep Honey. I'm low-key sleep on that. I used to use it all the time, but I'm gonna have to pick her back up because she ate down. Y'all gotta excuse my sister being asleep on this camera like that, y'all. She worked third shift, so my girl really be pushing through. So please excuse her. She's busy. Manager, third shift, chef, editor. Okay, the list is long. I love this lip I did. It's kind of like a nude, more on a nude side lip. I'm really into a nude lip now these days. It's just eat down the look very, very well. It complemented it. Couldn't do too much with the lips because the eyes were the real statement. Y'all do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday. I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist in Cincinnati, Ohio. Click the link in the comments to book me for facials, waxing, and makeup. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Marshayla MUA and Facebook Marshayla Lene. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.